Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn clauses. Last two lecture we have go throughout the noun clause and adjective clause. Today we'll see the adverb clause. Before that, tell me, what do you mean noun clause, adjective clause, or types of clauses? Types of clauses. Do you remember? Independent clause, it means it contains both a subject and a verb and can stand alone as a sentence. It is known as independent clause or main clause or root clause. Another clause, dependent clause, it contains both subject and verb but cannot stand alone as a sentence. Dependent clauses are introduced by subordinating conjunctions such as because, what, if, etc. We see dependent clauses are always depend on another sentence. They cannot stand alone in a sentence. Or if we read the dependent clause, we didn't get full meaning. If we read independent clause and dependent clause, we'll get meaningful sentence. We see adverb clauses. We'll see a subordinate clause is known as dependent clause, and the dependent clause there are three clauses: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Third number today we learn adverb clauses. Yes, how do you mean adverb clause? A dependent clause that functions as an adverb in a sentence is called adverb clause. An adverb clause, like an adverb, modifies a verb, objective clause, or other adverb clause in a sentences. It modifies or it describes the situation in main clause in terms of time, frequency, how often, cause and effect, contrast, condition, intensity, and so on. The subordinating conjunctions used for adverb clauses are as follows. We will see. Adverb clauses for time. The subordinators here: when, whenever, before, after, until, since, as, soon as, by the time, while. Adverb clauses for place. The subordinators where and wherever. Adverb clauses for cause. Subordinators are because, as, since, now that, as long as. Adverb clauses for purpose, so that, in order that, etc. Adverb clauses for result, so that, such that. These are the subordinators. Adverb clauses for condition: if, unless, only if, whether or not, etc. Adverb clauses for although, even though, concession, although, even though. Okay, let us see the examples. The adverb often shows time, place, manner, condition, contrast, reason, comparison, purpose. First type of adverb, clause of time, using the subordinators like till, until, before, after, since, when, whenever. For example, he went home after he had finished his work. In this sentence we see he went home is a main clause, root clause. After he had finished his work is an adverb clause of time, because after coordinator shows us the time. Adverb clause of time. Adverb clause of place, using the subordinators like where, whenever, whether. The child goes where his mother goes. The child goes is a main clause, root clause. Where his mother goes is adverb clause of place. Where shows us the adverb clause of place. Adverb clause of manner using the subordinating like, how, as, if, etc. He ran as if it was the last train of the day. He ran is the main clause. As if it was the last train was train of the day is adverb clause of manner. He ran is the main clause, root clause. As if is here subordinator or subordinative conjunction we may call. It was the last train of the day is adverb clause of time. Next example. Adverb clause of condition using the subordinates like if, whether, unless. You will pass if you work hard. You will pass main clause. If you work hard is adjective clause of condition. If is here condition, shows condition. Adverb clause of reason using the subordinates like because, as, since. For example, she passed her IAS exam as she worked hard. She passed her IAS exam is a main clause. As she worked hard is a adverb clause of reason. Adverb clause of contrast using the subordinates like though, although, even though. He failed although he worked hard. He failed, main clause. Although he worked hard, although shows contrast. Adverb clause of contrast. Next example, adverb clause of result using the subordinates like so that, such that. For example, he is so rich that he can buy a new car. He is so rich, main clause. That he can buy a new car is adverb clause of result. Adverb clause of comparison using the subordinates like as, than. He is taller than his brother. He is taller is main clause. Then his brother is adverb clause of comparison. Adverb clause of purpose using the subordinates like so that, in order that. He lives so that he can eat. He lives is the main clause. So that he can eat is adverb clause of purpose. I think that you will get it. How to recognize adverb clause and what type of coordinative conjunction we use, and how to find out main clause and subordinate clause. I thought you get it. If you have any query, please comment me. I will try to solve it in the next video. Thank you all of you for listening.